Bro, you can see this is pond, but this place is not a riverine place and it is not a river area. You can see there is another pond, and behind me there is another pond. In front of me there is lots of water. You can see there is lots of water, but it is not pond. All of my side pond, all of my side water places. Behind me there is a pond, but there is lots of water, but it is not pond. It is a paddy field. After some days the owner of the field will free the field, and then they will grow paddy from this area. This is not any pond.